Hello and welcome to yet again a new video. Today we're going to be making something super special, super delicious, and super innovative. We are twisting the whole recipe of French toast into Ghana ideal milk French toast. Let me delete the French. Ghana ideal milk toast. I am going to be making this today and I'm going to be enjoying it. Just watch and just take a few tips for this great recipe and implement it. I'm sure you will not regret it. Let's get on with the video. Here you go, you guys, the star of the show, ideal milk. I just add a little tiny bit of ideal milk into the eggs. And you know what? The ideal milk really makes a difference. And also I'm adding nutmeg. If you know, Ghanaian pastries go really well with nutmeg. You can't have a Ghanaian pastry that doesn't have nutmeg in it unless you twist it up and switch the style or the recipe. Nutmeg is really one of those things that is usually in most 95% of Ghanaian pastries. I am using brioche bread because I do not have my Ghana sweet bread, but if you do end up getting your hands on some great Ghanaian sweet bread, use that because that will really feel like you're eating a Ghanaian ideal milk toast. ready to dig into this? Oh my, just look at this yumminess. Look at this yumminess. Man, this Ghanaian ideal milk toast is the bomb.com. You need to try this. And I had to share because I cannot just keep this deliciousness all to myself. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Till next one. Ciao.